Want to add an Elementor jump link to different sections of your homepage? In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps so your visitors can jump straight to any part of the page with just one click. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone building a WordPress site. Also, quick heads up, my Elementor affiliate link is in the description. If you're planning to use Elementor anyway, I'd truly appreciate the support. So, start by opening your browser and go to your WordPress-based website. Once you're inside it, choose the page you want to edit. For example, as you can see, I am on the home page, and this is divided into different sections like FAQ, Advantages, and more. Click on Edit with Elementor from the top admin bar. When the Elementor editor loads, scroll through your page until you find the section you want to jump to. Let's say it's the FAQ section. Click on that section or container to select it. In the left-hand panel, go to the Advanced tab under Edit Container panel. Scroll down to the CSS ID field and enter an ID name, for example, FAQ. Make sure it's all lowercase with no spaces. Click Publish in the top right to save your changes. Next, head back to your WordPress admin panel. From the left menu, click on Appearance, and then Menus. This will open the Menus page. Now click on Custom Links. In the URL field, enter your site link for FAQ section, and in the link text box, type FAQ or any name you want for the menu item, and then click Add to Menu. You'll see the FAQ custom link appear in your menu structure. Click on it if you want to adjust the label or rearrange the order. Once you're done, click Save Menu. Now, visit your website and try it out. When you click on the FAQ menu link, the page will jump straight to the FAQ section. That's how Elementor Jump using anchor links works. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to improve their WordPress websites. See you in the next one.